and future leaders of our country. Well, in fact, meron yung program ng ating in-image na nagpapasalamat yung ating mga parents as to do a good deed, no? Ng ating mga ROTC because they know how to be disciplined as well as the school and no other. ROTC funds are judiciously utilized based on the program of
pinakamabilis na is 4 seconds sir. 45. Tapos yung one.
I-extra ka di tipol.
Pleasant afternoon to each and everyone. Now, we shall witness the infantry squad capability demonstration. The smallest fighting infantry demonstration will be performed by selected officers of CIPSA and counterattack. The infantry squad observes basic principles. To combat the enemy at the lowest level, take vantage position, achieve element of surprise, maneuver quickly while maintaining squad integrity, and win the hearts and minds of the people. They operate on the principle of life and death. Utility rope and soldier basic supplies. His body is everybody. The fire team leaders. The fire team leaders, Alpha and Bravo, are fighting leaders who lead by personal example and help the squad leader as required. They control the movements of their respective teams and the rate and placement of fire. They ensure that the squad elements maintain the unit standard. They secure the front area of the squad during movements. They are the scouts or the eyes and ears of the team, armed with assault rifles, hand grenades, smokes, flares, jungle bolos, equipped with radios, compass, utility ropes and supplies. The grenaders. The grenaders. The Grenadier Alpha and Bravo are responsible in providing grenade capacity to the squad with maximum firepower. They secure the block area of the squad during movements and halts, armed with assault rifles, with grenade launcher attached, fragmentations, smoke grenades, jungle bolos, and equipped with utility ropes. Their body is the fire team leaders. The automatic riflemen. The automatic riflemen Alpha and Bravo are proficient in the operation, maintenance, and utilization of their weapon. They are also responsible for providing sustained automatic fire and secure the jungle bolos. Fragmentation. The riflemen Alpha and Bravo are responsible for food supply. Now the troops are doing here to the bottom of the NPA. Troops consultants. Two of the scouts verified. And now they are verifying the area.
President of Sequoia Colleges Incorporated. I am here today, of course, to give you an inspiring, a motivational message that will serve as your tool or as your guide towards the fulfillment and realization of your dreams. Greetings to all members of the CQSAT ROTC unit, esteemed guests and dignitaries. As we gather here today for the Regional Annual Administrative and Tactical Inspection, we stand at the threshold of greatness, poised to showcase the culmination of a year defined by resilience, discipline, and unwavering dedication. The school year 2023-2024 has been a testament of our collective commitment to excellence, and it's with immense pride that we welcome you to witness the fruits of our labor. Through this academic year, each member of our unit has demonstrated unparalleled dedication to the values of honor, integrity, and service, from the early morning drills to the late night study sessions. Our cadets have shown resilience in the face of adversity and perseverance in pursuit of excellence. It is this relentless pursuit of greatness and sets us apart and defines us to become leaders of tomorrow. Today, as we open our doors to esteemed guests and officials, we invite you to witness the spirit of camaraderie and professionalism that permeates every aspect of our unit. From the meticulous execution of administrative duties to the precision and discipline displayed on the tactical field, we strive for nothing less than perfection in all that we do. As we embark on this day of inspection, let us remember the importance of our mission to mold future leaders of character and integrity. It is a responsibility that we do not take lightly, and one that drives us to excel in every endeavor, whether in the classroom, on the field, or in the community. We are committed to upholding the highest standards of excellence and service. To our esteemed guests and officials, we extend our deepest gratitude for your presence here today. Your support and guidance have been instrumental in our journey towards greatness, and we are honored to have you witness our achievements firsthand. In closing, I would like to extend my sincerest appreciation to every member of the CQSAT ROTC unit. A round of applause, please, to yourself.